We're about to tell you why you need to visit the Hainbuch stand during MACH 2022.
Lindsay is going to be awesome. They're going to be exhibiting their full portfolio of products for turning, milling and grinding. They're going to be doing a competition, a quick change competition that I believe you are the person to beat.
And you need to beat my time.
So this is very exciting, and this consists of changing from collet to free jaw module. So lots of competitions going on, but it's a great opportunity to look at the products and look at the solutions that they lend themselves to, which include the milling solutions. And not everyone is aware that Hainbuch provide milling solutions.
A lot of their products are actually interchangeable, but you know what? It's all about the show. Visit their stand, get involved. You can win champagne. They've got a competition. If you buy one of their products, they've got a deal on where they're giving away, I think, something that's worth about £300. Well worth visiting the stand. And if you can't make MACH, join us live on Monday afternoon and you can see exactly what they're showcasing.